Moving massive loads just got smoother with HTS ECO-Skate Load. Moving skates. These rugged skates are built to handle extreme weights with precision and balance. The low-profile design makes it easy to fit under heavy machinery. With swivel top plates and non-slip surfaces, positioning is effortless. Built in Germany, these are engineered for pros who move tons. Literally. Combined with EcoJacks for the ultimate heavy lifting combo. It's a dream setup for industrial movers and riggers alike. Meet winter's worst nightmare. The Subzero Max Force scraper. With its reinforced construction and wide, tough blade, it clears frost and ice like butter. Its power grip handle keeps your hands safe while giving maximum control. No more weak scrapers that snap in the cold. This beast is built for real winter warriors. Perfect for trucks, SUVs, and frozen windshields of all sizes. Rugged, ergonomic, and relentless. It's your snow day MVP. Get ready to dominate ice season like a pro. Makita's DSD180 drywall cutter is a precision beast made for fast, clean drywall cuts. It features a dust box that actually works, keeping your workspace neat. With smooth plunge cuts and LED lighting, it's made for efficiency. No more jagged lines or messy cleanups. Just razor-sharp drywall control. Lightweight yet powerful, it's a favorite for pros and remodelers. If drywall is your game, this cutter changes everything. Smooth, silent, and built to slice walls like paper. The Broad & Taylor knife sharpener brings pro-level sharpness to your kitchen in seconds. With its spring-action tungsten arms, it sharpens, hones, and polishes in one go. Works on straight, serrated, or Japanese knives. It's all in one magic. This tool doesn't just fix dull blades, it brings them back to life. Safe to use and built to last, it's an elegant powerhouse. Perfect for chefs, campers, and everyday cooks. A few passes and you'll feel the blade glide like never before. Trim, edge, and blow with the Celely SV20 cordless 3-in-1 garden tool. This compact powerhouse switches between tools without breaking a sweat. Tame your lawn with the trimmer, clean edges with precision, then blow away debris with ease. Cordless freedom meets landscaping efficiency. No cords, no gas, no hassle. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's a backyard multi-tool for every homeowner. Keep your yard in shape with one sleek device. It's garden time, simplified and supercharged. When traditional saws just won't cut it, grab the ORIT Sand Limestone cutter. Specially designed for porous, fragile materials, this cutter minimizes breakage. Its lightweight frame and extended handles make for easy control on-site. No dust clouds, no stress, just sharp, clean cuts through stone. Built tough for masons, landscapers, and stone setters. With an effortless lever action, it's surprisingly powerful. For sculpting patios or slicing blocks, this cutter is precision perfected. The Powerbuilt 3-in-1 creeper is a mechanic's throne of versatility. Use it as a low-profile creeper, a padded seat, or detach the knee pad for quick tire work. Its quick switch design means no fumbling. Just roll, flip, or kneel. With sturdy wheels and thick cushioning, it glides and supports all day. It's like having 3 tools in one to save your knees and back. Whether under the hood or at the shop, this is your comfort zone. Powerbuilt delivers smart design for real hands-on pros. Stop wasting time digging in your toolbox. Strap on the Lenink Tool Holster. Designed to clip right onto your belt, it gives instant access to your go-to gear. Whether it's your drill, flashlight, or screwdriver, it's right there when you need it. Rugged materials and tight stitching make it tough enough for job site abuse. It swivels smoothly to move with you, not against you. This is efficiency you can wear. Stay fast, stay organized, stay locked in on the job. When it's time to rip through old slate, Sealey Slater's Ripper is the tool to trust. Its long, flat blade slides under tiles to hook and yank out nails with ease. Forged from durable steel, it's made for demolition duty without bending. The handle provides leverage like a crowbar, but with surgical precision. Roofers, renovators, and restorers swear by its sharp design. Forget hammering blindly. This lets you remove slate with style. It's the silent hero of heritage jobs. EcoJack hydraulic jacks are compact titans for lifting ultra-heavy machinery. With high precision and low clearance, they fit under tight spaces effortlessly. Their rotating claw and ergonomic handle redefine control. Built to German engineering standards, they're reliable for years of tough service. From transformers to turbines, EcoJack has your back. Pair it with HTS skates for a complete load-moving setup. It's not just lifting, it's lifting smart and safe. Unleash demolition power with no cords holding you back. The Hilti Neuron. TE 2022 is a beast. This cordless jackhammer delivers corded-level performance with unmatched mobility. It's quieter, cleaner, and still crushes concrete like thunder. Backed by Neuron battery tech, it runs longer and hits harder. No gas, no cords, just raw braking force on your terms. Ideal for pros tearing up slabs, sidewalks, and foundations. It's destruction, redesigned for the modern job site. For fine finishes and tight corners, the Stihl PureCore 12 detail. Sander is a smooth operator. Its compact design gets into awkward spaces with surprising ease. With variable speeds and a microfiltration system, it's all about clean control. The ergonomic grip and low vibration let you sand longer, smarter. Powered by the PureCore 12 system, it's built for quick swaps and big results. Great for furniture, trim, or touch-ups that need finesse. It's small, but it smooths like a pro. Turn any job site into a workstation with the Festool MW1000 mobile workshop. It folds, rolls, and opens into a pro-level tool hub in seconds. Designed for trades on the go, it holds everything from tools to storage drawers. Sturdy, stable, and modular. It adapts to your workflow perfectly. Move it through doors, haul it upstairs, then get to work. It's your van, shop, and bench all in one. When setup speed matters, the MW1000 delivers big time. Tangling PEX coils? Not anymore, thanks to the Malco UC1 tubing uncoiler. This clever tool makes tubing flow out smooth like a pro installer's dream. Its rotating base and adjustable arms handle big coils without stress. Lightweight but solid, it sets up fast and packs down neatly. No more fights with springy loops or kinks, just clean, controlled feeds. Ideal for radiant heating or plumbing pros on tight timelines. One pull, and you'll wonder how you lived without it. For pinpoint accuracy in 2 dimensions, the Woodpeckers angle depth gauge shines. It measures angles and depths in one sleek, CNC-machined tool, perfect for dialing in joinery or fine-tuning router setups. The laser-etched markings stay clear for years of precision work. Compact enough to fit your pocket, powerful enough to guide your cuts. It's like a caliper and bevel gauge had a genius child, built for woodworkers who never settle for close enough. Yanking stubborn tent stakes just got satisfying with the stake snake puller. With its foot lever action, you'll pop stakes out like opening a soda. No bending, no blisters, just stomp, grip, and lift. It's built tough with steel construction that bites and holds. Whether you're camping, hosting events, or working festival grounds, it saves time and energy. Compact and easy to carry, but strong enough for hardened soil. It's the tent tool you didn't know you needed. Say goodbye to sagging panels. The Malco adjustable siding gauge locks your spacing in style. Clip it to your belt and snap siding with pro-level consistency. Adjustable to various reveals, it keeps every board level and perfect. Built with contractor-grade materials for years of outdoor use. One-person installs are now totally doable. No need for a helper. It's like having a second set of hands, but smarter. For vinyl or fiber cement, this gauge is the game changer. Tiny but mighty, MAXX's rare earth magnets pack some serious pull. Whether you're organizing tools or crafting magnetic mounts, they grip like glue. Coated in rust-resistant nickel, they'll stick around for years. Literally. Hold up tools, kitchen knives, cables, or hardware without drilling a hole. Compact enough to disappear, but strong enough to impress. Ideal for makers, garages, or your creative DIY zone. Just keep them away from your phone. Hilti's concrete sensors turn your slabs into smart tech zones. Embedded during pouring, they wirelessly monitor temperature and strength in real time. No more guessing when to strip forms or post tension. Just check your app. It's data-driven curing that cuts delays and boosts precision. Built rugged for rough sites and designed to disappear once installed. If you pour concrete, this is your brain inside the slab. Welcome to smarter construction decisions. Max out precision with the Festool 0-degree base plate for trimmers. It's engineered to keep your trimmer level, stable, and razor accurate. Perfect for tight corners, edge work, and guided routing. The flat design gives your cuts surgical confidence and cleaner results. Pop it on your Festool router and watch your trim work get sharper. Woodworkers love its consistency and build quality. It's a small upgrade that delivers huge control. Haul like a hero with the Backrack Winch Rack, the game changer for loading gear with zero backstrain. Designed to mount directly to your vehicle's tow bar, it transforms into a powered winch system. Whether it's a generator, motorcycle, or heavy gear, it lifts with ease. Say goodbye to ramps and wrestling with cargo. The rugged build and smart engineering make it a hauler's dream. Perfect for contractors, overlanders, or tradesmen on the move. Just hook, winch, and roll away. The Easy Lifter is the smart solution for lifting floor hatches and inspection panels without breaking your back. With its rolling mechanism and ergonomic handle, it makes heavy panels feel feather-light, perfect for raised floors in offices, server rooms, or workshops. Compact and intuitive, it stores easily when not in use, built to withstand rough use while protecting your flooring. Professionals love its one-hand operation and solid lift power. It's simple but brilliant in every way. One wrench, countless bolts. Meet the Craftsman Figure 8 Universal Wrench. Its unique Figure 8 design gives you access to 8 metric sizes in a single tool. No more fumbling through a toolbox or carrying full sets. Just twist, flip, and tighten. It adapts instantly. Perfect for cyclists, homeowners, or roadside emergencies. Compact enough for your glove box, yet tough enough for real torque. Smart design meets signature Craftsman quality. Need perfect holes in plastic pipes? The Almagor Punchup makes it effortless. Built for irrigation systems, it pierces clean, uniform holes every time. With its ergonomic grip and rugged build, it's designed for fieldwork under pressure. Speed up installations and get flawless water flow. Compatible with drip and micro systems, it's a pro favorite worldwide. A simple push gets professional precision. It's small, but a total time saver in the garden or field. Get the best of both worlds with the Stihl 4600 Combi Saw, a jigsaw and reciprocating saw in one. Swap functions with a simple switch and tackle wood, metal, or plastic with ease. The ergonomic grip and orbital action boost comfort and speed. Compact but packed with power, it's perfect for renovation and repair. Whether you're slicing through pipes or scroll-cutting wood, this tool adapts instantly. Less gear, more performance. Stihl keeps it clever. A hybrid saw for hybrid jobs. Spray smarter with the Milwaukee M12 handheld sprayer, a cordless powerhouse for precision spraying. Whether you're applying herbicides, disinfectants, or detailing fluid, it handles it all effortlessly. Powered by Milwaukee's M12 system, it runs strong and steady without hand fatigue. The adjustable nozzle lets you switch from mist to stream in seconds. Lightweight, chemical-resistant, and built for job site abuse. Landscapers and cleaners alike swear by it. Just charge, fill, and spray like a pro. Fasten like a machine with the Milwaukee HD VL71, a heavy-duty auto-feed screw gun built for speed. Load up long strips of screws and drive them with machine gun precision. Ideal for subfloors, decking, drywall, and sheathing, wherever speed matters. It delivers consistent depth with zero slipping or wobble. Say goodbye to slow, wrist-killing screwing. If production is your game, this tool's your MVP. It's brute force with brain power, ready to roll all day long. Designed for linemen but handy for all, the MAXX-Slot Socket Plus is a multi-purpose socket that bites into bolts with power. Built with a reinforced design to handle pole work and heavy torque, it grips both square and hex heads. No slipping, just tightening. Compact enough for tight spots, but powerful enough for tough nuts. With an integrated wire brush and ergonomic grip, it's multifunctional magic. Rugged, efficient, and trusted by the utility pros. One socket to rule your rig. Find hidden metal with the precision of a pro using the Zircon Metalliscanner. Whether it's nails, rebar, or conduit, this handheld wizard sees through wood, drywall, or concrete. No more surprise sparks or ruined blades. Just scan and detect. Its LED display gives real-time feedback for perfect positioning. Great for remodelers, carpenters, or anyone who drills into the unknown. Simple to use, deadly accurate. It's like X-ray vision for your walls. Thank you for watching this video from Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe for more content just like this.